Hello everyone. We're going to start our training for Ytel. Ytel is spelt, which you will shortly discover, Y as in Yahoo, T as in Tom, E, L. Right now we're going to go download Mozilla because it tends to work better on Firefox. We're going to download. So go to Firefox, Mozilla, download. We're going to download that onto your computer. Download free. You should be watching this. Okay, that's not a problem. It won't hurt your computer. For us, it's showing down here. And we're going to download. And we are waiting for it to download. Apparently it's going to take a moment. So I'm going to pause. I hope you know how to download a program, but it should look something like that. What are we doing here? Okay, here we go. Sorry. Okay. Let's find Mozilla. And let's start. So now we are going to download Zoiper. Go to your URL, www.zoiper.com. You'll have two options. You can download Zoiper. Go to downloads right here. If you're on a PC, Windows right here, go over to the right and click download. If you're on a Mac, it says Zoiper for other operating systems, Linux, Macs, blah blah. So this is where you would go if you were doing that. Then it will pop up Mac. Over here to the far right, you would download that. In this case, I'm on a PC, so I'm going to hit this button, download. Then it's going to take me down here, download free. Do not do this one, do this one to the left. Save file. As you can see up here, takes a couple of moments. I will pause. Okay, so anyway, you should have an option to run, save, etc., etc. You should get this window. Welcome to Zoiper Setup. You're going to click I agree, setup, next, etc., etc. Install. I would leave these checked because you want your shortcut on your desktop. So now we are downloading Zoiper. Very quick. Finish. Okay, in this case we have it over here. Do you see that? Yes, you do. Okay, so we're going to now open up Zoiper. Anytime you're logging on, you want to have this Zoiper window open. Well, allow access. Okay, fine. I guess there's a little firewall there for this particular computer. Why won't it go? There we go. Okay. Okay, this is what we're looking for right here. Can you see that? Now, we have to set this up. And we may do this for you, but you may want to do it yourself if you can. There's a little symbol of a wrench right here. It's for options. We're going to open this up, and we're going to create an account. So we will probably, we will have to give you that information when we create an account. So in this case, we're going to go with the SIP. Again, right here, add user account. 1, 1026. That's this particular user. That won't be yours. Obviously, yours will all be individually different. And we have an option to put in the domain right here. We're going to write dialer19.ytel.com. User is, in this case, example 1026. The password is capital W. You can't see that, but capital W, small lowercase e as in Edward, T as in Tom, underscore, then the word flare, that's F as in Frank, L as in Libra, A as in Apple, R as in Robert, E as in Edward, 66. Then we're going to hit apply. Apply. Again, you're not going to be able to do these steps right now, but I will show you so that you will know for future reference, and then you're going to say OK. Now, this says registering right here down under account in this box. In this particular case, it's asking to register. It says it's registering. You may or may not run into a problem here. We might have to actually get you on the system in order to, we may have to do this hands-on with you, but it's good training. So in this particular case, I had to go back, and instead of registering it as a SIP, I had to go back to IAX accounts, and I did the same thing. I put dialer19 ytel.com. I did 1026. I put in the same password of capital WET underscore F as in Frank LARE 66. I hit apply and I said OK. So what we want to see down here at the end of the day, whether it's SIP or IAX, is we want to see the word registered, past tense ED, registered. Okay, so once we have registered here at your home internet, we're good to go. One of the things that I should have mentioned before, if you didn't already know this, do not do this on Wi-Fi. Do this on a hard line connection as far as an Ethernet cable, just because Wi-Fi is not as reliable. So understand that that's how you need to set your home office up. Some people have where they want to work in their house doesn't have the hardline connection and Ethernet connection. You're either going to have to set up a different, you need to work where you have that. So if that means you need to go to Office Depot and buy 50 feet of, Ethernet cable or whatever you need to do, but you need to do this hardwired in to your internet so that you do not have problems with the Wi-Fi. Okay, we do record all calls. If we continue to hear that your clients are not being able to hear you, we're going to have to fix that problem because the leads are obviously very expensive, so we don't want that to happen. Anyway, 1026 is registered, so now we are going to go to Firefox here, and we're going to go to a website by the name of Crown, that's, well, I'll spell it here, mediaco.ytel.com. Again, Crown Media Co, .ytel.com. Enter. Now you're going to have an agent login. Okay? You have agent login right here, and you're going to log in essentially twice. Log in twice. Okay, so you're going to have to log in twice here. The first number is your extension, 1026. In this case, that is not your extension, that's someone else's, so please don't do that quite yet. I want you to We will give you each your own extension, but I'm just using an example. Small y as in Yahoo. The next number will always be your extension, 1026 in this example. Then capital G as in go, M as in Michael, D as in dog, all caps on the last part. So again, small y, 1026 in this example, capital G, capital M, capital D. Then submit. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and say remember my password. However, it looks like you didn't log in right, but you have to log in twice. Okay? So there will be two different passwords to log in. So the user is 1026 in this example. Sorry about that. This particular person's password, which I won't give you, but that's what we will be putting in. And then in this person's case, they have several different options, which normally once you get up and go, well, in the beginning, let's just put it this way. In the beginning, you're going to pick student loan training. In fact, that will be the only option you will have. So we'll select that and then submit. Okay. Now, this is ringing in my head right now, and I need to accept this call. So I'm accepting right here. And now I am actually speaking, and this shows me over here that I am in a call. This microphone, if I were on mute, this little bar right here would not be going back and forth. It would be down here on the bottom if I were on mute. You have to make sure that you're not on mute, and this will show you that you're not on mute. I'm not on mute. Okay? So I answered the call, and I hit submit. Okay, I hit submit. Notice that this is very important. Probably the most important thing here is I'm either on pause or I'm on resume. If I'm on resume, it's going to start sending me calls. If I'm on pause, it won't send me calls. So I want to log in and I want to stay on pause until I figure out what I'm trying to do next.